websites that I found online that are really useful. The first one is called velvetinefr.fr. It's a free font website, and you can download some really cool customizable fonts, and it gives you like templates of what they're useful for. So you can download them as any other fonts and install them on the computer, but what you'll get from this website is just a bit more creative and something different from probably the websites you're looking at. So that's the first one. Second one is called Undraw, and this one allows you to download these vector drawings. So you can download SVG files and take them into Illustrator and break them up into components and use them for whatever you want to use them for. The next one is called Simple Icons. So if you need a logo, so if I put in, I don't know, Nike, I've got the Nike logo, and I can download an EPS file and use that for my work. If I'm working for Nike or Unilever and all these other brands that are available. So these are all EPS Illustrator vector graphics which are usable within your work. And the website is called simpleicons.org. The next one is called cadmapper.com, and this one allows you to create a three-dimensional illustration. So you put your postcode in, you create an account, you put your postcode or a postcode, and it creates a 2D, and from that you can take it to Blender, I'm assuming 3ds Max, and all sorts of 3D software, and extrude it into a three-dimensional interface. So again, a very useful. You can take it to SketchUp 8 Plus, AutoCAD, Illustrator, and turn it into a three-dimensional visual. So this one is using called CAD Mapper. The next one's Savvy. So those of you that like to use Pinterest, this is an alternative to that. So this one allows you to look up, cool graphic design, source very interesting things like this. And there's some nice stuff on here for you to use as well. Alright, so this one is called savvy.com, okay? And if you want to check stuff, all you put in is what you're looking for. So if I put in zine, for example, it will source out the best zines. You can do it by color. So if you're looking at things to do with a specific color, you click on a certain color ratio, it will give you all the graphic design that's available on this website within that color platform. Alright guys, so those are my 5 useful graphic design websites that might help you in your creativity, developing your design skills. Thanks for watching. See you later.